Hi family, this is Prince and Prince here, and this is Success for Life, guys. I have for us how to earn 20 cents per click, guys. How to earn 20 cents per click. And it says I get paid for every visitor refer to our free search engine submission service. So what you have to do is you just need to link them or refer them to their just free search engine submission service, and they'll pay you 20 cents, guys. Just imagine all your contacts on your phone on Facebook. If each person just click on this link, you've made huge money. So I'm going to show you how you are going to get this money in your pocket in some few days to come. So quickly, if you are new or this is the first time of you come to this site, the site is called entireweb.com. Again, entireweb.com, but I'll put the link on the description for you to gain access to it. So when you go to the entireweb.com, guys, this is what you meet. You meet their search engine, and then you click on these three lines and you go to affiliate. Now as you go to the affiliate, this is what you meet. If this is your first time, you have to go to create an account, right? So when you click on create an account, you'll be met with this, a form, right? So the form includes your name, last name. You choose your own tracking ID where it will be added to your affiliate link, your email. Then this part, company name, URL, city, they are all optional, but the country isn't. The city and the country is not optional. So if you're in Ghana, you type Tema. If you're in Togo, you type your city there, and then the state, you choose Ghana. And thank God, this one Ghana can also benefit. So Ghanaians, you go chop money. Then the next one is the payout method. So they pay through PayPal. That's the fun part. But guys, those of you watching this video without a PayPal account, I will show you the right way of getting a legit PayPal here in Ghana. So I'm making that video, I'm sure this is very weak, so that everyone here in this channel will have his or her own PayPal account for our money to drop in each time someone clicks on our affiliate link. Then you key in your email, your PayPal email account. Then you choose your publisher type. So if you're a company or an individual, you choose the option. Your pay name, you can write anything, the pay address, your social security number. It is not by force. The country, choose Ghana, country of business Ghana, and you just need to agree. Now after you've agreed to everything and you sign up, they will send you an email into your email account. So you just need to go to email, guys, and you just need to click on it, and then you confirm. After the confirmation, guys, you will return to the entireweb.com website, and then you sign in. Remember, you sign in. So when you sign in, this is what you meet. You meet username and a password. So let me type in my fishes 200 and my password quickly. Then you just need to sign in. So it says that user logged in. So when it opens, the first thing, guys, this is your affiliate link. Remember, it's very important. This is the link that when people click on, they will pay you that 20 cents, right? So that 20 cents. And you have to copy this link somewhere, then you move to home. Good. Now the home gives you an idea. It gives you an idea about the clicks that they've made on your affiliate link the commission you've gotten, and the impressions as well as the refund or the withdrawal. So it gives you all about what's going on with your affiliate link. Now the idea is for us to spread our link as far as possible for people out there to click on our links, so that they'll keep paying our 20 cents in their account. So this email account is my other email account. My actual email is there, and I believe money is dropping HD. So we are now going to spread our affiliate link, and guys, you can put this link on your WhatsApp status. Let your friends click on them. You can put on your Facebook post, your Twitter post, and I bet you are going to make money whilst you are just sleeping. So moving further, we are going to share our link on a website called gab.com. I'll put also the link in the description. The gab.com is also one of the emerging social network websites where people troop in each day. I mean, thousands of people troop in to create an account there and also put out their mind. She says that welcome to gab.com, a social network that champions free speech, right? So that's why it's the best. That's where we are going to spread our affiliate link for the meantime, guys. So if you are new, sign up, and after you've signed up and you are done with everything, you move to login, guys. So as you click on login, key in your email address, your password as I'm doing right now, and login. Now when you log in, this is where you post our affiliate link, where it says what's on your mind. So you return, copy the affiliate link, right, and paste it there. But they don't allow affiliate links here, so you have to close it or hide it in Google Docs. So please, you go to Google as I've done, type in Google Docs, right, or Google Doc, then you click on the first link that comes, then you go to Google Docs here, you add a blank document and you paste in your link, right? So when you paste in your link, you go to share, then you can skip this step, then you go to copy link. So when you copy the link, you are done, and then paste it here. But it is too raw. You have to convince people about your product. So key in a message that will drive someone to click. So for example, this message like, hi guys, this is an amazing website that pays 20 cents per click, and I've tried it, so this is a nice thing. Then I just don't want to keep it to myself, so this will drive people, right? So when you read this, they will move to click on the doc for them to gain access to our affiliate link on Google Docs. So but for us to get more traffic to our post, we need to add tags, right? So tag is what will bring traffic. So let's go to Google again, right, fast, right? Then you type hashtag generator, then choose this one. This is the best one I use, this one here. Good. Inflect tags, good. And key in what will drive them the most about money. So how to make money, right? And you have to generate. After, you see here it says the hashtag types, we have frequent, average, rare, So tick on the frequent, you copy it and you paste it under your post so that it will drive more traffic. And after you post it, now after you are done posting, guys, wait for a while, 3 or 4 or 5 days, and see the magic. You see people across the world will click on your affiliate links, and then you see money dropping into your account. So as they click into on the link, they'll drop 20 cents in your account as time goes by. So guys, this is how to get your 20 cents per click. If you have any issues, please kindly drop your comments and let's see how we can solve that. So guys, take care and have a lovely day. Bye bye.